it comes to Kotlin Multiplatform, you can decide which layers you need to share. You can share all the way to the domain layer, you can share only the data layer, but our main goal ever since we started working with Kotlin Multiplatform was to share everything, including view model, between iOS and Android. With that being said, if you take a look at our project structure on the left side, you will see a couple of main folders: Android app, iOS app, and the third and most important one is the shared folder, since it contains all of the shared business logic and all of the shared code which we are sharing within this template. So if I open up the shared module, I will see in the common main we have a couple of crucial building blocks here. First one is dependency injection, as every big app needs some way of handling dependency injection. In Kotlin Multiplatform, we have decided to go with Koin. So as you see here, we are registering all of our repository layer dependencies in this dependency injection container. Of course, there are a couple of main models we are using right now. So we are fetching episodes and we are fetching characters. So our main models we are using here are character and episode. When it comes to the network, we have two basic ways to communicate with the outside world inside this template. One is connecting it with Firebase Firestore, and the second one is connecting it with a fully fledged HTTP client with some REST API. So you see Firebase helper and you see HTTP helper. When it comes to the repositories, they are fairly simple. So we have only one method in each repository. One of methods in characters repository is get characters, and inside episodes repository, it's get episode details. Similarly, as we are following the clean architecture approach, we have episode details use case, which has the reference to the repository layer and calls some methods from the repository layer. Then inside view model, which gets shared between both iOS and Android, we have references to episode details use case and characters use case. And we are fetching episode details and we are fetching characters. For the state management, we have decided to go with the state-based approach. So we have a couple of possible states. So we are sure that all of the states are mapped to our screen. We have init state, success state, loading state, and error state, as you can see here. So if I now call fetch episode, I will get some information about the episode. If I call fetch characters, I will get some information about the characters. What's the best and the most important point of Kotlin Multiplatform? It's that we can use that on iOS side as well. Now I'll switch over to Xcode. And if you see here, we have the basic implementation of our simple screen. And this is the crucial part in line 5. We are using Koin to get the shared view model by calling getViewModels.getExampleViewModel. And there is no view model on the iOS side. Everything is being communicated only to the shared view model. We are getting the episode details for the episode ID of 1. And also we are fetching the characters by calling viewModel.getCharacters function. And this is the most powerful thing about Kotlin Multiplatform. Now, if I open up the iOS simulator, we are running the app, we are calling fetch episode, and we are calling fetch characters, and all of the information are being displayed in the UI of our iOS simulator. So that's a rough overview about what you get with our Kotlin Multiplatform template. So starting from dependency injection, continuing to networking layer with Firebase and HTTP client, fully fledged sharing of view model, and much more. Go ahead and click that download link, start using Kotlin Multiplatform in hours and not days. Bye bye.